So me and my dog, where is she? Hope's around here somewhere. Me and her have been having it out. All right. So I get down on the floor and we're playing, and she bites me, and I'm like, "No biting, stop it!" And I tap her on the mouth. It's like she's trying to be the alpha male, and she bites me again, even faster. And I'm like, "Bam!" So I tap her a little bit harder. So she just keeps coming at me harder and harder every time I tap her on the mouth. She does not like it. So we're kind of like, I'm having to prove my dominance in this house because she's going to learn. So she is like a dog from some another planet or something. The more you discipline her and tap her on the mouth, the harder she comes at you. It's crazy. But bottom line is, she's going to lose. Enough about that. Okay, so I saw this on TikTok. TikTok made me do it, right? So anyway, it's literally, I mean, if you're looking for healthy bread, you want a bread replacement. We did the chaffles, okay? That's a thing where you take cheese and put it in the waffle maker and you grill the cheese with almond flour and you make a bread replacement. Well, this is only 3 ingredients bread replacement. Come on in close. Let's get this started. It literally takes 30 minutes in the oven. So preheat your oven at 350, and we're going to kick into the special before she comes back and starts biting on my leg again. All right? Let me show you all the ingredients. 3 ingredients. Eggs, baking powder. This is called tahini. It's ground up, I think, sesame seeds. I had to order this on Amazon, but it's got oil in it, so you got to mix it up, kind of like peanut butter separates. Well, peanut butter is really, it depends on how long you have it. But give it a good mix so that your tahini is all blended, okay? Here's how it's going to work when you use a hand mixer for this recipe. You could probably use a stand-up mixer too if you want, but I'm not going to be here that long. Going to put it all in here, okay? So I got 4 eggs. So first the eggs. Put the eggs in. You're going to mix those eggs till they're almost, I guess you could say they're kind of lighter than, they'll kind of lighten up. So they'll mix. And then the yellow lightens up a little bit. So it looks like this, watch. Kind of like a light yellow, see? That's what it looks like in there right now. You can take your baking powder, put that in there. That's what's going to make the bread rise. Last ingredient, this is it. This is a cup of the tahini. Pour that in. And then once that's all incorporated, it's going to look like pudding. And put that in the bread bowl. Well, the bread pan, whatever. I'm using this bread pan. All right, guys, you're going to take this bread pan, 350 degrees for 30 minutes. You ready? Let's do it. Oh my God, that looks real. Can you see that? That really looks like bread. That's crazy. All right, so let's leave it right here. We're going to let it cool for a little bit, and then we'll check it out, okay? All right, guys, this is now cooled off, so let's take a slice and take a look at it. Literally, you can see it just pop right out. See? There we go. Look how beautiful that is. It's awfully thin, though. It didn't rise a lot. Hey, dog, stop playing with the pig so I can film. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, it looks good. So let's get some butter, and we'll try it out. This is, I guess you would have to play with this recipe to make it higher, to make it fluffier. Maybe I didn't whip it long enough. That could be on me. But it looks beautiful. Look at it. All right, it's kind of funny. I'm filming and you can hear well, she's not playing with it right now, but she was playing with her little squeaky pig. And she don't care. I love that. She don't care that we're recording a show. Waiting. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. I don't know. Maybe she swallowed the pig. I have no idea. All right, here's the butter on the bread. Let's give it a try. All right. Have you ever chewed a sock that has been 3 months in a locker room at high school? You never did that? That's what I imagine it would taste like. That is awful. That is the worst 3 ingredients I've put together. I do not recommend anybody make this. It looked beautiful, but it tastes like a jockstrap. It's awful. Not that I've ever tasted a jockstrap, but once again, it's what I'd imagine it tastes like. Ugh. That's really bad. Well, what do I do now? I guess I'll get started working on my next video. I love you guys. Take care.